Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Dodge Viper RT/10 and this is from Hotwheels Then and Now series. So let's open it and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. The paint job is a glossy blue. The rims looks basic. Here is a top view. Here is a closer look at the interior. Okay, even the windshield has a light blue tint. That looks really nice for this car. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be great if you guys subscribe and support me. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Goodbye.